Once again, I thank each one of you for joining the session on this wonderful new year 2021. So everybody has got a lot of hopes in 2021. Whatever we missed in 2020, we want to conquer. Am I right? The dreams, the business, the life relationship, isn't it? So I hope this session will be a wonderful insight for you all, especially on your business, so that you can learn some few tips and tricks what I am using for my business. I'm going to share with you. Some of it you may be already knowing, but you will definitely have a different dimension altogether for whatever you have already known. Okay, so let us just dive in. So before we start the session, a few tips and etiquettes. Welcome with a big thank you for joining us today, spending your valuable time to learn along with us, my dear friends. Kindly sit in a relaxed posture with your mobile laptop placed comfortable for viewing. Use your earphone or headphone to have a better experience. Get yourself from the seat. This session is going to be for the next 90 minutes. So please rise up from your seat for every 45 minutes to take a sip of water or stretch yourself so that you don't have any back pain. Let us learn comfortably with fun. Please use a notebook. My dear friends, please use a notebook and a pen. Okay, or you can also use a mobile notepad to take notes. I'm going to give you a lot of statistics, facts, figures, everything. Please take notes. You are allowed to take screenshot of the slides so that you can review it later, my dear friends. You're open for questions, but my only request is you reserve all your questions at the end of the session so that we don't lose the momentum of the session. There may be an unexpected technical snacks due to network problem or maybe the power supply, but don't worry, we have standby and I'll be back again in few minutes. Kindly remind till the end of the session to get valuable gifts, my dear friends. I'm going to give you a lot of gifts in between also. I'm going to give you 3 gifts and 1 bonus gifts for you, all free for you, which will help you to scale up your business. You can use those tools and try to scale your business better. So now let us start. So I want to thank my mentors, my dad, Sri Rajamanikam, who had taught me human values, Dr. T.R. Sivaswamy, who had taught me self-discipline, Hawaker, who set my millennials mind, Brian Tracy, who taught me how to set goals, Dr. Ivan Meisner, founder of BNI, taught me how to do business networking, my dear friends. And also I want to thank all my friends, family, and also enemies in my career who have taught me what I need to do and what I shouldn't do. And I will love you all to share your mentor name and what did you learn from them. Can you please share your mentor? Do you have any mentors? If you have, let us all know your mentor name and what did you learn from them, which will help the participants here so that they can follow your mentor, and also it may be helpful for each one of you. You have any mentors, my dear friends? If you have any mentor, please type in the mentor's name. It can be a spiritual guru, it can be a business guru, it can be a lifestyle guru, anything it can be. Can you please share? Can you please share in the chat box your mentor and what did you learn from them? That's more important. Can you be more interactive, my dear friends? This is a 2021. Let us just pour the energy into the session. So if you don't have any mentors, no worries. But if you have any mentors, please specify your mentor and what did you learn from them. Let us learn from each one of you. You have any mentors, Mr. HR, TRV? Mr. TRV, do you have any mentors for you? And how about Razik? Do you have a mentor for you? Do you have any mentors, my dear friends? Please share your mentor's name. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, do you have a mentor for you? Kalyan Raman, M. Narayanan, thank you for joining. Suju Narayanan, do you have any mentors? Please share your mentor's name. Okay, Siddharth Rajashekar, awesome. Awesome. What did you learn from Siddharth? My dad is my mentor. Thank you. Fantastic, Razik. Razik, actually, all my friends here. So this session is going to be fully interactive. So please be isolated for the next 90 minutes. And I'm going to throw you a lot of insights on all the marketing tools, which can be a great benefit for you. I assure you, Please trust me, and this is going to be a great session for you, my dear friend, which you never forget in your lifetime. Okay, so Bhaskar Rajagopal, maintain coolness, take initiative. Awesome, Narayanan. And thank you, Razik. Mr. Manjit is your mentor. Okay, what did you learn from them? Razik says also his dad is a mentor. Okay, fantastic. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, my dear friends. Okay, now let us dive in. So we are actually going to explore 10 best marketing tools. What all marketing tools are available, what you need to choose for your business, and also how to use them effectively. Most of the tools you may be already aware, but there is a system how you need to use them. Some people, can I just initiate this meet with this? Actually, I would love to know what all the marketing tools you're already using. Can you use the chat box and type it, my dear friends? Are you using any tools right now? Shuki Shivam, okay, thank you, Healer. And do you use any marketing tool? Anything, it can be email marketing or any marketing tools. Are you using any tools right now? It can be a traditional marketing tools or it can be a digital marketing tools. Can you use your chat box and type what all the tools you're using right now so that we know how much you are using and how you can expand your usage better, or maybe you can understand whatever the marketing tools what you use to use it better. Okay, thank you, Narayan. He says WhatsApp, phone calls, emails. Awesome. So most of it or all, I think it is free tools what you're using, Mr. Narayanan. Okay, and Vijayalakshmi says Facebook, WhatsApp business, fantastic, Instagram, email, awesome. Okay, so how about others? How about others? Vijayalakshmi, you can introduce your business also so that people understand why you are very specific on Instagram. Okay, WhatsApp business. Okay, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Awesome, my dear friends. Awesome, awesome. So now let us just dive in. See here, there is a confusion among all the business owners now present. I mean to say, the business owners of 90s have a big confusion because they don't know the knowledge on digital tools available. And I had been one earlier, but I got graduated from Founder Institute San Francisco in US in 2017. That brought me a great insight of bridging the gap between a traditional businessman and a digital marketing person. Okay, so there is a big confusions, my dear friend. You see, so many tools are available in the market. What I need to use, what I shouldn't use, how to use it, how much I need to budget. All these confusions are there with the people. So today, I hope this session is going to help you to get answers for all these questions. What are the best marketing tools available? How to choose the best one for my business? Because even though you and your competitor will be in the same line of business, say real estate, but the same tools may not work for both of you, my dear friends. Because of the volume of the business and the target audience and the product what you have. Because you should understand your product much deeper so that you use the right tool and you reach the right audience. How to use it effectively? That's more important. What is the budget I need to spend for these tools? That is more important, my dear friends. Most of the people plan to budget for their marketing when their business is not, I mean to say, business is very good. But you need marketing to be done when your business is not good and also during when the business is good. So you should have a clear cut marketing plan for the one full year. Most of the business owners, how many of you believe that I don't plan my marketing campaign for 1 year? Please use the chat box and type. If you are one among them, just type I am a person who doesn't plan my marketing campaign for one full year. 2021 Jan, Feb, March, April. I have to have a complete plan, the master plan. You need to do that. If you don't have any of this kind of a plan for 1 year for marketing campaign, please type I am one among them who have not planned for one full year. Thank you, Narayanan. Thank you for being genuine. My dear friends, this is one of the big flaw every individual business owners have. Okay, so we have to have a marketing plan, and I'm going to give you a tool where you can plan for your one full year. I'm going to give this tool to you. How about others? Mr. Narayanan has been so active and he's sharing. How about others? All the other 10 people. Will I get the maximum ROI? As a business owner, what you need to look at is what is the maximum ROI I am going to get for each and every campaign. As a business owner, marketing heads, marketing professionals, you should be clear about one thing, my dear friend. How much is my ROI? I invest 10,000 on my marketing budget, 1 lakh for my marketing budget. How much I am getting back is very, very important. Okay, my dear friends. So make a point very clear. You need to track what is the ROI I'm going to get. So I will love to get the details from other people through the chat box. Are you all other people other than Narayanan planning for 1 full year? Are you planning for your marketing campaign for 1 full year, or it's only on a short term? Like I want to plan for today. I want to plan for this week. I plan for the next fortnight, only up to maximum 15 days to 1 month. How about others? If you are one among them who doesn't plan for the 1 full year, please type I in the chat box so that let me understand. 1 full year plan for your campaign, my dear friends. Okay, awesome, man. Nice to see that other people are all planning for 1 full year. Is it so? Okay, thank you. I think you are all waking up. Thank you, Razik, for sharing. How about others? How about others? Please share, please share. Please be interactive. See, awesome. We are entering into a comparison of traditional marketing with the digital marketing. So I would love to hear from each one of you. Like, are you able to visualize the traditional marketing like this? Television, newspaper ads, telemarketing, referral marketing. How many of you heard about the referral marketings? BNI. Use your chat box. Keep interacting so that we will pour a lot of energy. Pour a lot of energy into the session, my dear friends. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi, for sharing your info. Flower decoration, event management. Thank you. So workshops, events, radio ads, and also interviews. My dear friends, I would love to hear from you. These are all some of the traditional marketing tools which we had been using about, say, 100% maybe about 10 years back. Okay, slowly the transition is happening. People are transferring themselves from traditional marketing into digital marketing. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, so now my question to you, my dear friends, what is the big advantage you see in traditional marketing? Can anybody tell? Use the chat box and type what is the big advantage you have in our earlier traditional marketing. Why I am still open to the traditional marketing also is there are a lot of advantages is also there in traditional marketing, which we are going to explore. And we as a business owner have to combine both this traditional marketing techniques and digital marketing techniques together to win your sales and successfully get the maximum ROI. So I would love to hear from you. What is the advantage? Maybe just make a note. 1-to-1 BNI, fantastic. What is the advantage of this traditional marketing, my dear friends? What something good you see in this traditional marketing? I have listed out, and also you can share what is bad. We are going to definitely explore, but I want to take it from your mind so that there is more interaction, and whatever we discuss today go into your heart and also your mind, deep into your heart, my dear friends. Okay, so what is the advantage you see in traditional marketing? Anybody? What is the advantage, my dear friends? Don't you see? Okay, visual and audio. Okay, what is the advantage, max advantage? Visual and audio, still you can bring in digital marketing. Finally, I think I have to show this guy, field marketing guy. He may be a business development manager, or he may be a sales executive or vice president marketing, isn't it? So what is something special about this traditional marketing? Come on, my dear friends. What is something special? What is special you get here? Anybody? What is special? What is some great benefits you get in the traditional marketing? Because we shouldn't lose or leave some of the tools which we are already using. That is the reason I'm asking this question. Bonding, fantastic, Narayanan. Bonding. You have an emotional bonding which you cannot bring in digital marketing, my dear friends. No doubt. Fantastic. Awesome, Mr. Narayanan. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Personal attachment. Superb. Awesome. How about others? I can see energy pouring in. How about others? What is the biggest advantage you see in traditional marketing, which is slowly coming down, but still, as a business owner, we have to make a point clear. We have to use some of the best tools available already in a different proportion, but we should not leave it zero. Okay. Create family friends. Okay. Personal attachment, I can believe, no doubt. Okay. Now let us just see here. See here, as you told, you develop a personal attachment with your audience, isn't it? See, New Year has come and you want to gift your clients. There is a great opportunity. You can just give them a diary or a monthly planner like this, which will create a great rapport with your customers. You can gift for all the festivals, isn't it? How many of you gift for your audience or your customers, my dear friends? How many of you share your gifts or you gift your customers? Please type gift. I gift my clients. I gift my customers. If you have any gifting habits, please type gift. Do you gift to your customers? Do you gift to your customers? Type gift. GIFT. Anybody? If you don't gift, it's okay. A.S. Patel says gift for my customer. Fantastic. Awesome. So this gifting habit creates a great rapport, which we should not miss out, which is already there in the traditional marketing. Okay. So this is the right time. The new year has born and we can gift all our customers with wonderful diaries and then calendars, and also you can have monthly planners and all those. And we are also having a special offer for the WOW Academy participants. So those who are interested, you can keep in touch with me. This offer is closing for that is tomorrow evening. It is getting closed. So you can use this. Okay, fantastic. So now coming to the digital marketing. So what all the digital marketing tools available, we will see that. First thing is, whatever informations you have, you need to post it, isn't it? So what tools you use for posting? You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have LinkedIn, you have Zoom. Am I right? So all these tools you can use for interacting with your target audience. And finally, you can also do messaging. Like you can have email, you have SMS, and you can also send voice messaging. And after that, there are some audience who already have some kind of a problem to be solved and they want to search for the solution. So they use a tool called Google search. Am I right? So when they search for you or in the YouTube for solution, if your presence is available, there is more possibility of you getting orders, isn't it? Got it? Yes. So you should be also present in the search engines. Finally, this e-commerce is one of the best tool if you are in the service industry, or if you are a trainer, or if you are a FMCG product suppliers. If you want to supply some products, it's making so easy. People can, by the comfort of the mobile phone or the tab, they just visualize what the product they want. They see the reviews of your customers and then immediately click a button and then buy the products. Isn't it? It's more easy, and your logistics teams takes care of the delivery. So you make a very user-friendly experience so that customers start shopping from their home. Am I right? Fantastic. So this is what I want to tell you. Localized, the advantages and disadvantage of traditional versus digital. So traditional has got more localized and more personal touch. Traditional marketing can be done only in your city or town or in your place. That's it. Because you need to put your hoarding, you need to put your ad in the television, in the local channel, or in the FM music, FM radio, or it can be a newspaper ads. Am I right? So it's more localized, but it will have a personal touch and customers are adapted. Already they are adapted to this traditional marketing, so it's easy for them to convince. But digital marketing is a global reach. that actually I saw a tremendous breakthrough during this Corona lockdown. Everybody started using these digital tools and they started getting global reach, including Wow Academy, because we have audience from all over the world, from Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, and also from Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia, everywhere. We had audience, paid audience, South Africa. People came and joined our program and they learned from us. So it's getting your global reach from your office. Less personal touch, and customer find it new. A lot of people who find it's, at least I would say around 80 to 80% of the audience find it something new to come on a digital platform like even Zoom, Google Meet, and all those. So that is the reason I specifically tell we cannot just like that leave the traditional marketing and dive into digital marketing, or we should not touch digital marketing. Don't have that mind thought. We should have a blend of these two, my dear friends. So how much is the blend? Depending on your target audience. The second point is customer have brochure of the product in their hand. They feel it. They feel it. Okay, even they go to the showroom and they start feeling the product and they start reading, evaluating, they feel how it works and everything, isn't it? You ask them to come to the mobile shop, they start feeling how the mobile phone features, everything. And then if they love it, they start buying it. But most of the cases nowadays, what happened, they go feel it and then they come online and buy it online, isn't it? So, but there are some good strategies nowadays done by these mobile shops, brick and mortar business owners also. They are giving a great offers and all those to make your customers stick on to them and make them to buy in the showroom itself. Okay, next, customers have many product e-brochure to read. So once you start sending some specific products, for example, you have wood press oil. So people started immediately evaluating what all the different oils available in the market, finding the reviews, everything just by a click of a button. And then even though you send them the information, there is more possibility people buying from somebody else. Okay, so unless you are very, very unique and you have some great pricing for your customers, offers for your customers, you should make sure your digital presence will be a flaw for you, no doubt. So you have to be prepared for that. It should not be the case you go and encourage and add knowledge to the customers, and finally the customer goes to somebody else. Make a point very clear. So they browse and get more awareness, isn't it? So then the third one is customers are already exposed to this kind of a marketing, traditional marketing, compared to or slowly getting exposed to this digital marketing. Branding is expensive in traditional, no doubt. Television, it may run in lakhs. You may have to spend 40, 50 lakhs. If it is a radio jingles, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Newspaper ads starts from about say 20,000 rupees onwards. If you want a full page ad on a newspaper on the front page, it may cost you 20 lakhs, isn't it? So branding is expensive, but branding is not expensive in digital marketing. It's very, very much suited for MSME entrepreneurs. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, whatever you are doing for 10 lakhs, you can do it at 1/10 of the cost. So that's the advantage. Results of the campaign cannot be easily measured if it is a traditional marketing. Just to take the case like you put your television ad and then the newspaper ad, there is a customer who buys it. You may not know seeing which ad the customer has bought your product, isn't it? But it is not the case in digital marketing. Results of the campaign can be easily measured. You know the customer has bought your product seeing your Facebook ad or Instagram ad or through your SMS, bulk SMS, or through your email marketing or through your YouTube channel, which they bought, you will be able to know it, my dear friends. So far, how much are you learning? Are you learning? If you are feeling that you are learning something great, a clear insight you are learning, but please use the chat box and type learn. Use the chat box and type learn. I'm learning something great. Learn. Please type. Thank you, Narayanan. Thank you. How about others? Are you all learning? If you are learning, you feel like you are learning something, clarity you are getting now. Kalam's ORG. Okay, thank you. Superb. Please use the chat box and type if you are learning something. I'm getting a clarity. Even though I know everything, I'm getting a clear insight. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. So now we are going to see few tools which is going to be helping you, like Zoom meeting, you have email marketing, you have SMS, bulk SMS, Facebook, Instagram, Zoom, Google Ads, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Ads. Fantastic. So the point here, request you to make some fast learning. Don't repeat. Okay, sure, AS Patel. Definitely. The point is there may be a quick learner, there may be a slow learner. That's the reason I'm making a point that let it go very clear to the audience. So slightly, maybe I can speed up so that both are balanced together. The purpose, maximum ROI. The first point, what you need to do is a marketing plan. As I have told you already, you should have a marketing plan generated whenever you start a campaigning. 1 year, you need to plan your marketing campaign. Choosing the tool, which tools you need to use. You need to budget. You need to run the campaign. You need to have a performance tracker. So this will lead you for the maximum ROI. So marketing plan generator, what is it? I'm going to share you a tool, marketing plan generator, with which you can write down your marketing plan for 1 full year, my dear friends. 1 full year you can plan, and what all it includes is what we are going to see here. You should have a mission or a goal, and then it will also have a SWOT analysis of your business, your products and services. You should understand your buyer persona. Who is your target audience? 6 P's you need to define so that it will help you how you need to have your journey for the next 1 year for your marketing. Choose your channel, which channel will suit for you, and you need to budget for each and every channel, every campaign wise. So mission is something like this. If you have a notebook, you can note it down, all these points. Mission is something where you want to reach in December 31st, 2021 to enhance the sales and digital marketing skills to 10,000 MSMEs, entrepreneurs, to make them as a leader in their business in 2025. This is a long-term mission. You can also plan for 2021. What is it going to be? I have to reach around 1,000 MSME entrepreneurs. That's my vision. I have to make sure I reach 1,000. If I want to reach 1,000 people associated to my business community who are partnered with me, I have to reach more people than that, isn't it? So let us just explore how it's going to work. And now is SWOT analysis. SWOT is nothing but your strength, your weakness, your opportunities and threats. What is your strength? What you are good at? What's working? What your customers like about you? You have to make a gist of all these points. Second thing is weakness. What you want to fix. There may be a weakness in every product. Even it may be an Apple or it can be a Samsung. Okay. So you have to make sure what is the flaw I have in my products and services. What you want to strengthen. Which all areas you want to strengthen. What you want to become more efficient at. List it out. Opportunities. What your industry might soon want. Next year, what is something they are looking for? Like I'm doing a live webinar now. Soon I'm planning for a hybrid webinar to make it more comfortable for the audience so that the customers can anytime click into them, start viewing my videos and also my programs. Isn't it? So we have to look at the industry, keep on watching the audience, what they want, and we need to refine or change ourselves to the industry needs. What do you think you will be good at? What will be your difference maker? That's more important. What is different from us compared to our competitor? Like WOW Academy, we make it very much clear that we doesn't teach, we make you to implement. That is the uniqueness for us. And then finally, the threat. What you think could hinder your growth? Whom and which product you think could take your customers off from you? You have to gist it out. You have to keep watching your customers closely. It can be if it is an FMCG product, it can be like I told you, wood press oil. Even 1 rupee difference can make a big change. Customers going into some other competitors of yours. Okay, and maybe a product quality. It can be anything. So gist it out. So all this is more important. You can take a screenshot if you want so that you can just make a note of it. Okay, understand 6 P's. The 6 P's are what is the strength of your product? What is the unique selling proposition of the product? What is the solution you are giving to your customers so that they come to you and buy your products and services. Pricing is more important nowadays. Your pricing has to be value for money. It should be competitive, and make sure that whatever the product pricing you give to the customers, they should say no. In the sense, they should immediately buy the products. They should feel that this is a great offer. I shouldn't say no. I need to buy this product. People I mean is internally you will have to assign the delegate the responsibilities whenever you start your campaigning done. It can be a field executive, it can be a digital marketing executive, or it can be a telemarketing executive. So you have to assign what job and responsibility each and every person have to do it, and whether they have achieved it. Promotion inevitable in the present scenario globally, worldwide. So I personally believe in India, we have so many festivals, and there is a great opportunity for you to give promotional offers, my dear friends. This is going to help you for branding also. More acquisition of customers can happen. Okay, so promotion is more important. Process is, as I told you, whenever you get enquiries or leads, you have to convert that into a paying customer. So unless you have a CRM software, a process in place, you may fail to clutch the order. So process is more important. Finally, the physical evidence. Physical evidence is nothing but you showcase your products to your customers. You can showcase your testimonial to your customers so that the customer starts believing, your prospective customer starts believing that this product is worth buying. So you should have a lot of case studies. It can be a video, it can be a review, Google reviews, or it can be an audio, all different ways. You have to give them the evidence that your product is something very informative, very successful in the market, and they should not regret later not buying your products. So now we have which channel you need to choose. You have to decide what all channels you want to choose, my dear friends. So many tools we have like this, isn't it? So which tool is best suited for you? What all the conditions and parameters you need to look at? We start with Zoom. My dear friend, Zoom is one tool. Most of the people have a myth it is only used by the trainers. My dear friends, I request you, each one of you, Zoom is one of the best tool for a manufacturer to use, a distribution channel to use, a trader to use. Why? You can build up great awareness about your products and services, exhibit an online showroom through this Zoom. I mean Zoom, you can have a Google Meet or whatever. I mean a webinar meeting. How many of you feel that I will start using these tools to build awareness at least for once in 15 days? I want to conduct this awareness meet through Zoom. Please use the chat box and please type it, my dear friends. Please use your chat box and just type. If you feel that Zoom, Google Meet is all one of the best tool which has come out during this Corona lockdown as a best tool, economical, effective tool, and I love to use even this to one-to-one meeting. I meet my customers, my vendors, clients in UK, Dubai, as well as my Coimbatore customers. I start meeting them immediately, sharing my Zoom meet. How many of you want to use this tool effectively? Fantastic, Kalam. How about others? Start using this for even a one-to-one interaction. Awesome. Awesome, Vijayalakshmi. For customers, very good. So actually you save a lot of time, energy and money, my dear friends. So start using this. It is going to help you creating more brand awareness. And what is the metrics you need to do? I am going to conduct 8 webinar meeting every month, and I'll be having 100 attendees per meeting, and total every month I'll have 800 attendees. So this is what is the metrics you should plan. What is the next tool? Facebook and Instagram. So here the purpose will be for lead generation, or it can be for brand building, or it can be for video views. So many campaign types are available. You can plan which one you want to use it. What will be the metrics to measure the success? 4 campaign I want to run and 2000 leads I want to get. Only when I get 2000 leads through Facebook campaign, I can invite 800 attendees per month for my webinar meet. What next? LinkedIn is more used for B2B business. You want to have a franchisee or a distributor for your products and services, or you are a machinery manufacturer or an equipment manufacturer. So LinkedIn marketing is going to help you. Finally, you have YouTube. YouTube is one of the fantastic tool where you can build awareness the best way, best of best way. Okay, so the purpose is again brand awareness. You have to post 4 videos per month so that you have 1,000 video views per month. So this is the metrics you should have so that you are on track, my dear friends. Okay, right. So now let us just dive in. What are the other tools? SMS. Mostly bulk SMS, people use it for campaigning. This is nowadays used one of the best tool. But my request is you should use these tools for the leads what you have already generated. You should have some great verified contacts with you. Unless you have a verified contacts with you, this campaign may not be so successful. This may be much expensive than even a Facebook. Okay, you are using Kalams. Okay, how is your experience? How much is the cost per lead you are getting Kalam? I personally feel when you want to generate leads, Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn is the best tool. And from there, you should start using this bulk SMS. You should have verified contacts with you so that you will be so effective in your SMS. So like brand awareness, lead generation, but it is very effective for the customers who already know you. Already you have say 10,000 client database who already know Wow Academy, who already know your products and services. There you need to use this. This will make people to take instant call to action. It can be an offer. It can be you want them to come for your webinar, a reminder. All those, this is going to be of help to you. Okay, see here, Telegram and WhatsApp, one of the best tool. The reason I will reveal it to you later. Again, here it's a brand awareness, lead generation. Metrics to measure, 4 campaign, 25,000 unique WhatsApp per campaign. You can plan for a 4 campaign. And whenever you do this, make a point very clear. You should not run your campaign very frequently or very late, because people should not feel that they are being spammed, my dear friends. Email marketing is again one of the best tool. It's a value for money, best return on investment, very less cost. It is better to use email marketing. Nowadays it's slowly picking up in India. It's one of the best marketing tool in UK. I will refer to some of the statistics which will prove that email marketing is one of the best in some parts of the country. This is something new, my dear friends. Do you know what is this? Automated voice. The purpose is brand awareness and reminder. Metrics is 1 lakh voice messages per month. So this can be useful when you have a great voice message recorded, preferably a female voice. And also it should not exceed more than 30 seconds. And you can make people call to action. Okay. And also you can use this for sending reminders to your customers for them, so that you have better strike rate of the people coming and booking your orders or joining your session. Okay, then we have the budgeting. So once you decide what all the tools you want to use, every month you need to plan what is your budget for this. For webinar marketing, what is my budget? Facebook, what is my budget? Instagram, my budget. LinkedIn, email, SMS, WhatsApp, automated voice. So totally you consolidate and you know what is going to be a monthly budget. And then into 12 is going to be your yearly budget. And please make a note, whenever you have some kind of a festival time, plan to do a more campaign so that you can reach more audience, because that is the time when most of the important customers who are very busy during the normal working days are absolutely free. They start responding to you. Okay, so that's the time you need to have the maximum reach, my dear friends. Like New Year, you have Pongal, you have Bogi, and then you have Diwali, you have Ramzan, you have Christmas. All these time make a point to do a bit more campaigning budget possible. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a gift as I confirmed you. I'm going to give a gift for the people who are going to share me your name, business to my WhatsApp. 3 benefits of your products and services. Why your customer need to buy your product. You can make a note of it. You can share me this to get this gift one after the end of the session. No problem at all. Okay, share your name, business, and the products and services what you deal with, and specify what is the 3 reasons or 3 benefit your customer want to buy the product from you and he don't want to go to the competitor. It can be a special feature of your product, it can be your service, it can be your price. So mention the 3. I'm not asking 7, 10, just the 3 benefits of your products and services. Make a note and please share it with me to my WhatsApp number, which I'm sharing in the chat box. Okay, right. So next we go to, this is my first gift. Now let us understand the merit and demerit of each tools. There are so many tools available. Let us just start with Facebook marketing. Why Facebook marketing is one of the best tool for lead generation is, in India, the total population is 138 crores, in which 31 crore people are there already in the Facebook users. Is it amazing? In which you're all business owners, I know. You are not interested on the people who may be a homemaker, or maybe the people who are not involved in business, children's in the age of 19, students and all those. Am I right? So 5 crore, I'm telling you, 5 crore out of 31 crore, 5 crore people are either buyers or sellers. Amazing, isn't it? You can reach 5 crore people. 2.5 crore people are low value business owners. 1.5 crore people are MSME business owners. 1 crore users are high value business owners. So you know specifically, if you deal with a high value product, like you are into Mercedes-Benz, BMW car, then who is your target audience? That 1 crore users who are dealing with high value business owners. You can straight target your audience, my dear friends. So that's a key advantage of this Facebook marketing. Do you feel the statistics something interesting? If you feel interesting, just type I in the chat box. Out of 138 crores, just by a click of a button through Facebook, you can reach 5 crore people who are buyers and sellers. You decide which market segment you belong to, whether a high value, low value, or mid value. So you can target those audience specifically, depending on the demography, their behavior, their lifestyle, their age group, their gender, all those. Fantastic, isn't it? So that is the speciality of Facebook marketing. So what are the other merits? You can find your target customers through Facebook all over the world. I used to deliver my speech in 4 pillars for your business growth. We can conquer the world through business, my dear friends, with the hope of all these digital tools, whatever is available. How many of you know that in India, before 16th century, we were holding almost 29% of the world economy? Before 16th century, 1729, before that, Indian business owners were the best of the best economically developed people in the whole world. And India and China together were holding 60% of the global economy. How many of you know that? And if you are going to achieve the same thing again in the next 2-3 years, I think you should start using these tools. You can share your products, testimonials, so that people start trusting you and you gain values. You can form business groups. You can create and share your business events, connect with friends through messengers, isn't it? What all the demerits you have? Demerits of Facebook marketing. Slowly competition is building up. I had been using this paid Facebook ads for the last 2 years. And I have spent more than 3 lakhs only through Facebook marketing, my dear friends. Okay, I can see the lead cost per lead cost is going almost double. Earlier, I was getting at around 20 rupees. Now I am getting at around 45, 50 rupees. Sometimes it even hit around 80, 90 rupees, depending on the competition. So if you are not going to enter into Facebook marketing now, you have to spend more money to get your customers. Cost per lead is increasing slowly. If the content is not attractive, no, what happens is people may not respond. Even though you have the best of best product, you have to express the products in a way it is attractive and it's appealing. We should make sure your audience have to react and then they should be impressed. Videos get more response, my dear friends, but most of the users doesn't know how to create videos. And we, Wow Academy, have a program called RS Money's Video Making Mastery, where we help people how to make an awesome videos. You can keep in touch with me if you want to know more about that. Targeting the right audience is more important. Even though you have the best of best creative done and you don't target your audience perfectly, then again you will lose your lead generations. Okay, Facebook marketing budget. Creative cost will be around 25% of the marketing campaign cost, and 75% you need to pay to the Facebook directly for your campaign. Okay, monthly campaigning, depending on the reach I have specified. If you want only a small reach, you can go between a budget of 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month, through which you can reach up to 50,000 people. You will be able to reach just within 1 week, you can reach 50,000 audience. Medium reach, if you spend 50,000 to 1 lakh per month, you can reach up to 1 lakh audience, your prospective audience, within one campaign or 1 month. If you spend 1 lakh in 1 week, you can reach 1 lakh. In 1 month, I personally feel you should just make sure that you have to make sure you split your campaign in a pattern. You keep running for the full 1 month. High reach, if you want, around 1 to 10 lakhs, you can reach 1 to 10 lakhs people just in 1 month. Something awesome, isn't it? Okay, so the second gift for you, my dear friends. What is the business growth you are expecting to do in this year? That is 2021 to 2022. What you are doing in 1920. Last year, I have not considered much because of this corona. A lot of the people may have felt the business is down, but there are some fields where they have really done good, no doubt. What was the business you are doing 1920, 2021, which is going to end now, 21, 22? What is your vision? Please write it down. And what is the biggest challenge you feel to achieve your goal? Keep a big dream and you write it down. What is the big challenge you have? It can be a marketing strategy, or it can be a product, betterment of the product you need to do, or human resources, cash flow. It can be one or more. Note it down and you can WhatsApp me to get this Facebook ad creator tool. You must have seen my ads in Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever I am doing with that same tool, what I'm going to give you for free. Okay. So please make a note of my WhatsApp number, which I'm sharing in the chat box, and you can share these challenges, whatever you have, and I'm here to help you. Okay, so I'm also going to give you a special offer of supporting you on this Facebook campaigning to reach 50,000 people, including a campaign creative cost, and also targeting the right audience, understanding your business at just a valuable price only for the audience today. For the next 24 hours, I'm going to give it at 9,999 rupees, where I assure you to reach 25,000 customers, and I'll give you the statistics. How many people have been reached and how many leads you want. Depending on your requirement, we can help you out. And today, I'm going to share you this link where you can click on this link and book for this offer. So now we are diving into the next campaign called email marketing. What is the advantage? 3.9 billion email users worldwide are using this campaigning, my dear friends. In UK alone, email marketing is generating a whopping 2,896 billion crores in retail. People share the offers and tempting like Black Friday offers and all those stuff, and people click and then they go to their e-commerce website and book their orders. It's slowly building up in India also, and this email marketing is more helpful for you. People started to adapt in India. You can share images, videos, links, etc. in email. The demerits are 269 billion emails being sent every day. No, so what happens is 50% goes into a spam. People don't read. Without reading itself, they delete it. Okay, so this is one tool you can try using it, MailChimp, which will help you for your email marketing. It is free up to 2,000 contacts. If you want to go more, you can buy this at a cost of 770 rupees per month, where you can add up 50,000 contacts and bulk email campaign through this, my dear friends. You can build up your database slowly through your Facebook ads and through your SMS ads, and having a good landing page, collect all the contact details, and then start using this email marketing. Okay, now we dive into the next, bulk SMS. What is the advantage? Research shows SMS open rates are very high at 98% compared to 20% of all emails. Because what is the reason? Instant message popping up and you get a notification immediately. But emails may take time for people to log in and watch whatever the information you have sent. 75% of the people have suggested that they like to get offer messages in SMS. 65% of the marketers says SMS marketing is very effective method for them. Some more merits are text messaging doesn't face challenges of spam compared to email marketing. As we have already seen, the open rate of these messages is far higher. As soon as someone receives a message, what is that advantage? You have a alert. According to Gartner, response rate from text messages can be as high as astonishing 98%. Whether they take action, at least they open and view it. That's 98% of the people watch or look into your message, and holds good. If your message is very attractive and your offer is very good, people will take action. Okay, so text messaging doesn't face challenge, as I told you already. Yeah. So now let us go into the demerits. Promotional SMS cannot be sent to DND registered vendors. If you have some customers who have registered with the DND, do not disturb, then your message cannot reach them. Due to rise of popularity, not too much spam messages, 60% receive spam messages as a notification per week, and 20% people receive per day. Since the message is short, you cannot explain more detail. 60 characters is one message or one credit in a message. So you cannot give a detailed brief about your products and services. So how to do that? You can have a link so that people click on the link and you make sure that people will come to your landing page. There are two types of messaging available in the market now. One is promotional message, and then other one is a traditional message. The promotional can be sent between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Transactional message can be sent 24/7 with no time restriction. 6-digit sender ID you will have in promotional. It's a number. That's just a number. That's all. If it's a transactional, you'll have 6 alphanumeric character. For example, WOW Business, WOW Academy, I can mention WOW BUS. So people know that the message has come from you, and there is more possibility people click on the link and watch what exactly is the information you have sent to them. Deliver to a non-DND numbers or opt numbers. Only to non-DND and opt-in numbers. Deliver to all numbers irrespective. Whatever the database here, everything it will be delivered. Used to send offers, discounts or promotions to new and existing customers. These messages may be or may not be solicited by recipients. You cannot have a solicitation. used to send OTPs, the bankers send, or it can be even for your verification. You can use this transactional messages for OTP, informational messages, booking, and all those. Okay, tips to improve your SMS marketing. Include a clear call to action like this. Can you see the image there? You should have a clear call to action for the people to take. I will read out that message. Hi Shrikant, buy one medium pizza and get one free today. Click here to order or call. So you are asking your people to take call to action, isn't it? Next. Track your campaign and optimize. You know that how many people have clicked on the link and then watched it like this. Be prepared and know when your customers will respond. That's more important. Be concise and keep it short, because 1 to 160 characters is one SMS. So every credit, one credit has to be spent for 160 characters. Even if your campaign length is 161 character, 2 SMS credits will be debited from your account. If it is 307 characters, 3 SMS. So learn how to create a great content, great message in a short number of characters. Find the right frequency. Your message should not be felt that it's a spamming. Okay, and it should not be felt that I have never received this message from this person for a very long time. It should not be too long or not too short. Both are not good, my dear friends. Create a sense of urgency for them to take action like this. See here, hurry up offer valid only till 25th July. So people start clicking on the link and then availing the offer. But make sure you stick on to whatever the offers you give. Don't keep putting it is an offer and then continue giving the same offer even during normal days. Maintain the database, because you should not have a duplication of data. The message goes to the same person again and again. So you have to make sure remove all the duplicates. So you have to maintain the database each week. Make sure you don't pile up your data and which will be a spam for the audience. Respect the opt-out mechanism like this. If people don't want to receive message from you, give an opt-out message so that you can remove that number from your campaign list. What is going to be the cost for budget for the bulk SMS? 1 lakh promotional SMS is going to budget between 14,000 rupees. This is a genuine bulk SMS campaigning I'm talking about. There are people who even give it at 7,000-8,000 rupees. But what is the fraud which happens? I will brief you at the later end of the time. So make sure that the campaigning is done only through the direct service provider. So 14 paise per message. If it is going to be a transactional SMS, you want to use it so that it goes to even the DND registered members. It is 18,000 rupees, my dear friends. 18 paise per message. But when you want to avail a transactional SMS, documentation is required and you should have a GST number. So this is an offer I'm giving you. Bulk SMS, 50,000 SMS at a cost of 6,000 rupees. I will be sharing a link where you can book this. And all these offers are given directly from service provider of Videocon, who are the direct service providers. Okay, and also I'm interested to give you a combo offer where you can club these two together. Like you have 25,000 reach in Facebook and 25,000 SMS both together. As I told you, you should blend each other so that you have a better impact on your audience or the customers. So you reach through Facebook, they have seen your ad, and then you also send an SMS. Subsequently, a follow-up message goes to them so that people take action, call to action. And this offer, 23,000 is actual cost, 43% save, you can save 12,999. So I can give you a total consultancy for you on Facebook and SMS. So gift 3 for you, my dear friends. We are going to give you a control panel, SMS control panel with free credits for people who are going to share me their name and business, and also tell who is your customer. There are some audience who come and tell that, who is your customer? Everybody is my customer. Everybody is a customer. If everybody is your customer, I tell them that no one is your customer, because your products will be focused to only a segment of the market. If Reliance says everybody is your customer, but why people have not gone to Reliance? Airtel says everybody is your customer. Why everybody 138 crore people have not gone for Airtel? So every customer decides what is the best for them, and then whether the problem of them is solved, and then they choose their product. So you have to be very clear. The audience of Reliance will not go to Jio, will not go to Airtel. Airtel customers will not go, may go, but predominantly they stick on to their customer. So you should clearly understand who is your customer, who is your target audience, and understand your persona of your customer. WhatsApp marketing. Next we have WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing, worldwide 200 crore people are there in WhatsApp, out of which 34 crore people in India are better engaged in WhatsApp, and I love you all to use WhatsApp marketing. How many of you are in WhatsApp marketing? How many of you are using WhatsApp marketing? How many of you are using WhatsApp marketing? Can you type WA? How many of you are using WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp marketing is something amazing, my dear friends. WhatsApp marketing is one of the best tool you should start with, because it's absolutely free. In the sense, I'm not requesting you to do a paid WhatsApp marketing. You become a member of groups, relevant groups, where you can know your target audience, and there are tools from which you can pull out all the contacts from that group and use it in your SMS campaign. You got it? Something news for you, a technique or tip. If you feel this is a great tip for you, please use the chat box and type tip, TIP. Thank you, Tirunavakarasu. You are using WhatsApp. My dear friends, thank you, Narayanan. So the point is, you have to spend your time on WhatsApp where you have verified contacts. You join WhatsApp groups, okay? And there is a lot of interaction, brand awareness, everything is happening there. If you want a personal touch with your audience there, all the people may buy your products and services. You can pull the contacts from your WhatsApp groups where you are already in. You go and join WhatsApp groups, isn't it? There is a facility by which you can pull the contacts, and you can use those verified contacts to use in bulk SMS, but please don't spam. Use to send only once in a month or once in 15 days, not more than that, so that people don't feel you are spamming them. Okay, so I can definitely train you on how to do that in my paid session, which is coming up soon. You can track messages, delivery reports. The main advantage here is you can send messages worldwide. You can send voice, you can send video, and you can also immediately interact with your audience, whoever is interested in products, unlike SMS, bulk SMS, isn't it? But this all you can do it free. If you want paid also, you can do it. Like you have already some database available, you want to shoot a business WhatsApp messages, you can still do that. How to do that? You can take a screenshot. Okay, so there are some few demerits are there. You must have access to internet to send messages and receive messages. If you are spamming people, if they keep blocking you, there is more possibility your number will be removed from your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp messaging. You cannot send. So be cautious. Don't use your official number for your WhatsApp. You keep a separate WhatsApp number for WhatsApp marketing. Okay, so that people will be very clear. Even if the WhatsApp number is blocked, you should not be worried on your regular businesses. Got it? So what is going to be the cost if you want a promotional WhatsApp? Slightly expensive. So I may not really recommend this unless if it is needed. 24,000 rupees plus GST for 1 lakh promotional SMS. It's almost like 24 paise. And those who want to use a control panel and try it out, you have this fourth gift which you can share it. Like this is a bonus gift I'm going to share you to you, my dear friends. WhatsApp control panel I'm going to give you with the 25 credits, which you can use it for all the contacts what you have. You can start using and feel it how this is working or not. So those who want to avail, just type gift 4 in or send a WhatsApp number. Send to my WhatsApp number. What is the budgeting you are planning using your marketing plan generator? What is the budget you planned for your monthly budget for your next one full year? It can be 10,000, it can be 50,000, 1 lakh, 6 lakhs, no problem. But plan it, my dear friends. Okay. So this is the bonus gift for you. So this is a special offer I'm giving 12,499. So for 50,000 messages to be sent to 25,000 verified contacts costing 25,000 to 2,500 rupees free. We are giving the database also for you. Okay, now something interesting. Automated voice marketing. How many of you have used this? How many of you have used it? If you have used it, just type I or just you type N. If you have not used this, this is something very interesting. I want you to use it because there is no competition. You see, I'm going to share audio here.
Do you want to grow your business big and bigger? Join today a live webinar at 6 p.m. on RS Money's Facebook Marketing Mastery, unveiling a step by step strategy on how to create your successful Facebook marketing campaign. To register, visit events in www.wowacademy.in or WhatsApp your name to 98402 98421. Thank you.
Okay, how many of you heard this voice message? If you feel it is something interesting, just type wow. Use the chat box and type wow if you feel this message is something interesting. Thank you, thank you. So the content is more important. If you don't have a great content, and I prefer you use a female voice, a good female voice, a professional female voice, so that people start responding, start hearing your full message. That's more important. So the merits are, it creates a great branding tool because you don't have competition. Start using it. And also 50-second, you have 15-second voice messaging, 30-second. So I recommend 30 seconds so that you communicate the customers in full. Less competition. And again, I tell you, you don't spam. There are some customers of mine, I have seen some of my people who are using this daily. Daily morning, if I take a phone call, 8 o'clock, I get this message. And then I found this guy and then fired him left and right, asked them to remove this number because this become a spam. It creates a bad name with the customers, isn't it? So make a point very clear. Don't use this frequently. Maybe you can use once in a week or once in 15 days, not more than that. Okay, and don't use in the early morning hours. IVRS is one more great facility, no? Like you say, you talk about the product and ask him to press 1, and so that you can it shows that you are interested on the product, and your customer care team can call them immediately. Got it?
Are you worried how to create an impressive business video? If yes, join a live webinar on RS Money's Video Making Mastery to write an impressive script, film an awesome video, edit to enhance your video with background music, and many more. To register, visit events in www.wowacademy.in or WhatsApp your name to 98402 98421. Thank you.
Super. This is one more message I'm sharing with you. Great voice content is more important. Unless you have a good voice, please don't go with this. But this is fantastic, my dear friends. People respond very good. Your brand will go deep into their heart. So start using this. Voice recording has to be done professionally, as I told you. and I can help you out in those also. Even the same voice what you see, we can try to get them also. So 1 lakh promotional voice is going to cost you 29,000 plus GST. And so 29 paise for 30-second voice message. It is worth, no doubt, I would say.
Hi there. Do you have a
It creates a great branding. And for 25,000 voices, this is too much time consuming. Which one is too much time consuming? Creating 25,000, we have a special offer at 7499, my dear friends. Okay. So caution, I'm giving all with my experience. Before buying services from any vendor, it can be me or anybody else, decide on this, my dear friends. Whenever you run your Facebook campaign, use your own Facebook business page so that you can retarget your audience. For example, if I spend 1 lakh rupee for my campaign, you reach a set of audience. If you have a tool called Pixel, which you integrate along with this Facebook, you can start retargeting only that 1 lakh people. Example, you have reached 10 lakh and you filtered that 1 lakh audience are interested in you. They are impressed with you. Again, you need not go to the balance 9 lakh people. Okay, so that 1 lakh who are interested on your products and services, you can retarget so that your campaign cost will come down. So that is the reason I request you to integrate this Pixel in the Facebook business page of yours. So that is more important. And make a point, whoever the agency, if they are going to create their own business page to promote you, actually they will link the audience to their page. So that is the reason I told you, create your own Facebook page, give them the rights, no problem, but you should have the hold of your business page. Data theft is something more important. Whenever you should sign up an agreement with all your agency so that this data should not be used by somebody else for their other customers. Make a point very clear. Partly delivered. There are audience who may come and tell that, sir, we are getting bulk SMS, 1 lakh SMS for 8,000 rupees. You may get, but the point is they have their own server. They don't have a direct service providers panel. So what happens? You buy 1 lakh, but only 60,000 goes. And there are cases, my customers have come to me and told, sir, in the database, I had my number and I have not received the message for myself. Alarming, isn't it? So whenever you send your messaging, bulk SMS, make a point, the campaign should have your number and your colleague's number so that you are clear that the messages are going or not. Make a point. If people are telling a low cost price, the simple fraudulent what they do is they will reduce your message rate. Message reach rate is reduced. Be cautious. Anybody has experienced that, you can use the chat box and type it. After sale support is also more important before you plan to go with the service provider. Okay, so now it's time for me to share you the link for you to avail this offer. I'm going to share you a link which will help you. Yes, I got it. Copy. So you please look at your chat box. This is a combo offer I am giving you. You can choose what you want. For example, you want to choose Facebook 25,000 reach. You choose that and pay. If you want bulk SMS alone, you want to try, choose the bulk SMS and make the payment. If you want to try both, you can choose both and try. If you want, like this is a combo pack I was talking about, you can choose both or you can choose this combo offer and try. If you want a WhatsApp, choose WhatsApp and then you can try. And you have a voice, automated voice, choose voice and then you can do the pay now button. Okay, fantastic. So awesome. Hope you had a great session. And now I am opening the forum for questions. Make a note of my contact details, SMS, as well as the email ID. Sure. Okay, now I am opening up the forum for questions for you, my dear friends. You can open up your videos and you have any questions, you can ask me. You can unmute yourself. And we are ending up the session. Thank you. TRV, how are you?
Fine, sir.
How was the
See,
session?
We got a lot of information, but lot of people, they are doing digital marketing. We will promote your product, you will promote your program, all these things. They are planning to encash the money, but they are not traveling lifetime. Okay, I have a program and a product. Sir, together we will travel and we will reach a number of people and we can very well make the money from the society. Okay, we will give a contribution. See, for example, I have a product program. Okay, knowledge partner. I am expecting there is a technology partner. Together we will travel. Definitely we will earn some money. See, for example, 20% I am getting it. 10% I will get it. 10% to you or whatever the forum they are using it. Why they are not believing their system with the clear picture, all these things reach a number of people, but they are not tie up with that contract basis, percentage basis. Why they are not doing?
Good question. Very good question. TRV, I will ask you, which is the best movie theater in your place? Which is the best theater?
Marriage theater.
Marriage theater. Where are you from?
Maybe maximum.
Which place?
3 kilometers, my place.
Which place you are from? Which city?
KK Nagar. KK Nagar.
KK Nagar. Okay. So just imagine that theater is the Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Whether in the theater, marriage theater, whatever you told, whether all the movies screened in the theater had been a hit or there had been some flop.
All the
அந்த தியேட்டர்ல ஸ்கிரீன் எல்லா படமும் ஹிட்டா இல்ல சில படம் ஃப்ளாப் ஆச்சா?
இல்ல ஆக்சுவலா படம்ங்கிறது தேர்ட் பர்சன்.
இல்ல நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, நான் கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல
எல்லா படமும் ஹிட் ஆச்சா இல்ல சில படம் ஃப்ளாப் ஆச்சா?
ஓகே, ஃப்ளாப் ஆச்சு.
ஃப்ளாப் ஆச்சு. அப்ப தியேட்டர் சூப்பர் தியேட்டர். ஆனா அந்த தியேட்டர்ங்கிறது Facebook. அந்த Facebook தியேட்டர்ல நீங்க போடுற படம்ங்கிறது உங்க ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் சர்வீசஸ். Okay, if your products and services or how you present your products and services is not good, then you are not successful in your campaign, correct?
For that only I am planning to
let me tell you what is the best option for you is you find some people and become a partner, make him as a partner in your business.
Okay.
First thing, if you are not able to convince that person whom you want to market your product, then how can you convince the whole audience?
Okay.
So have you taken any step? You have to take a step. You have to meet him and explain him what all the services, and you have to convince him.
Definitely, sir. Which I have done past 1 year through Facebook, Instagram, all these things. I have done more than 2.5 lakh sales.
No. I am asking that you want to make any one person to become a partner or co-partner for your campaigning, correct?
Yeah.
But you are not getting it, isn't it?
No, I am getting it. See, one by one.
All you are not getting.
No. See, people, they are not believing it. Yes, I am ready to do that.
Why people are not believing? For example,
last session I attended your program, and this program also I am attending it because you have a technology knowledge. I have a knowledge of product and the program knowledge. Together, using the technology, if we are giving in a valuable way, the program will reach, product will reach, because I am seeing each and every one person going there and reaching the individual customer. Okay.
Very simple. I will answer. You have to convince people.
Yeah.
That's all. Simple. Unless you convince the customers,
okay,
you cannot win. I told you, you may have the great products, but 70% of the business fail because they don't know how to market their product.
Okay.
That is something which you need to look at. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Anybody else has got questions? Vanakkam Tirunavukarasu. Mr. Narayan.
சார்
வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க
வணக்கம் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
எனக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல குரூப் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல சார் பெய்டு வாட்ஸ்அப் வாங்கி யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் இப்ப.
சரி.
ஆனா டிலேவா போய் சேருது. டைமிங் டிலே ரொம்ப லேட் ஆகுது. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அவாய்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. அதாவது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நியூ
இயர் கிரீட்டிங் அனுப்பிட்டீங்களா?
இதான் போய் சேருது. 1ஆம் தேதி மார்னிங் நம்பர் அனுப்பிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன்.
எவ்வளவு SMS காஸ்ட்?
வாட்ஸ்அப்
1 lakh SMS க்கு எவ்வளவு பே பண்ணீங்க? வாட்ஸ்அப்ல இது பெய்டா?
வாட்ஸ்அப் வந்துட்டு
ஃப்ரீயா?
பெய்டு 20 பைசான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பெய்டு
ஓகே
20 பைசா.
ஓகே. அதுதான் என்னன்னா
20 பைசா
பேனல் ஆனா வந்து ரீச் ஆயிடுதா?
அதுவும் ரீச் ஆகுது, லேட்டா ரீச் ஆகுது. அதாவது 24 hours வரைக்குமே மேக்ஸிமம் ரீச்சிங் டைம் அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்கிறது மீறியும் ரீச் ஆகுது.
புரியுது. இல்ல இதுதான் நான் சொன்னது என்னன்னா அவங்க ஓன் சர்வர் வழியா அதை ப்ரோமோட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அங்க இருந்து மொத்தமா வாங்கிட்டு நீங்க அனுப்புற டேட்டா அவங்க சர்வர் போகும். அவங்க சர்வர்ல இருந்து they will send it. அவன் SMS சிம் வச்சு சென்ட் பண்ணுவான். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா நீங்க அனுப்பிச்ச மெசேஜ அவன் திரும்ப ரீஃபார்வர்ட் பண்றதுக்கு டைம் ஆகுது. டைரக்டா அனுப்பல அவன். புரியுதுங்களா நான் சொல்றது? இப்ப நீங்க டூல் வாங்கி நீங்க ஒரு சிம் கார்டு போட்டு நீங்க இங்க உங்க டூல்ல இருந்து அனுப்பிச்சீங்கன்னா உடனே போகும்.
அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்?
டைரக்டா சர்வர் வாங்கணும். இப்ப நான் காமிச்ச மாதிரி என்னோட இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா டைரக்ட் சர்வர், வீடியோகானோட டைரக்ட் சர்வர் எல்லாமே வந்து சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைடரோட டைரக்ட் சர்வர். ஒரு 4 பைசா கூட இருக்கும் ஆனா உடனே போயிடும். அதுதான் அட்வான்டேஜ். நீங்க நம்ம பேனல் வாங்கி ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. நான் 25 கிரெடிட்ஸோட கொடுக்குறேன். அது எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துட்டு then you can take a decision.
ஓகே, நான் பர்சனலா கால் பண்றேன்.
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க இல்ல கால் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே. செகண்ட் ஒன் வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் வந்து ஃபார்வர்டிங் வந்துட்டு 5 மெம்பர் தான் பண்ண முடியுமா? அதுக்கு ஏதாவது பல்கா பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கா? குரூப்
இல்ல 4 நீங்க
ஜெனரலா ஃப்ரீ வாட்ஸ்அப்
5 தான். நான் என்ன சொல்றேன், நீங்க வந்து
அதுக்கு மேல சான்ஸ்.
ஆமா, வாட்ஸ்அப்ல நீங்க பிராட்காஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கேக்குதா?
ஓகே, அது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
பிராட்காஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா
கேக்குது சார்.
பேருக்கு போகுது. பிராட்காஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட் மொத்தம் உங்ககிட்ட எவ்வளவு கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும்?
ஆமா,
மொத்தம் எத்தனை கான்டாக்ட்ஸ்?
6000 கான்டாக்ட் இருக்கேன் சொல்லு.
6000 கான்டாக்ட் டிவைடட் பை
256
4 into 6
ஒரு 25 பிராட்காஸ்ட்
24 பிராட்காஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட் முடிஞ்சது. டக்குன்னு அனுப்பிச்சீங்கன்னா 24 பிரஸ் எல்லாத்துக்கும் போயிடும். அவ்வளவுதான், சிம்பிள். ஆனா அவங்க பிளாக் பண்ணிட்டா போகாது. நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா வாட்ஸ்அப் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, மெசேஜ் SMS பல்க் SMS யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. கலாமா நீங்க பேசலாம். இந்த முடிச்ச உடனே நீங்க பேசலாம். கலாம் என்னன்னா பாக்கியராஜ் சார் யூ கேன் டாக். என்னன்னா ரெண்டுலயுமே அனுப்புங்க. இந்த பல்க் எஸ்எம்எஸ்ல 6000 கான்டாக்ட் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த டேட்டாஸை எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அத பல்க் எஸ்எம்எஸ்ல நீங்க வந்து ப்ரொமோஷனல் எஸ்எம்எஸ் அனுப்பலாம். 70% ஆஃப் தி பீப்புள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா டிஎன்எஸ்ல ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஓகே, 30% நமக்கு போகாது எப்படினாலும். do not disturb. ஆனா கொஞ்சம் ரிஸ்க் எடுத்து டிரான்சாக்ஷனல் மெசேஜ் வாங்கி ஸ்பாம் பண்ணாம நீங்க கரெக்டா யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதையும் அந்த 30% ரீச் பண்ணும். புரியுதுங்களா? ஆனா அதுக்கு 18 பைசா.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே.
அதுக்கு ரேட் கொஞ்சம் கூட, ஆனா ஒர்த். ஓகே, ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு அவங்க எல்லாமே தெரியும். டேட்டாபேஸ் ஸ்பாம் பண்ணிடக்கூடாது. அவன் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணான்னா உங்க நம்பரை தூக்கிடுவான். யாரு? டிஓடில இருந்தே உங்களுக்கு வந்து they will put a case. ஓகே, பாக்கியராஜ் சார் சொல்லுங்க நீங்க.
ஓகே,
வணக்கம். சொல்லுங்க சார். வணக்கம்.
நல்ல அருமையான செஷன் கிளாஸ் எடுத்தீங்க. இந்த இதுதான் நான் எதிர்பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருந்தது. நீங்க எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஃபேஸ்புக் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட், இன்ஸ்டாகிராமு, வாட்ஸ்அப்பு இது எல்லாமே நானும் டெலிகால், பல்க் எஸ்எம்எஸ் எல்லாமே பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். வாட்ஸ்அப் எஸ்எம்எஸ் மட்டும் நான் பண்ண கிடையாது, வாய்ஸ் கால் எஸ்எம்எஸும் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பட் நிறைய வெண்டர்ட்ட நான் கொடுத்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா எனக்கு ஃபுல்லா வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் ஃபெயிலியரா தான் ஆயிருக்கு. இப்ப அந்த தம்பி சொன்ன மாரி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, லேட் ஆகுது. அமௌண்ட்ட நம்மகிட்ட இருந்து வாங்கிர்றாங்க. பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, நம்மகிட்ட நம்மளே மெசேஜ் அனுப்புறோம், அல்லது வாய்ஸ் கால் அனுப்புறோம். அந்த மாரி டைம்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, கரெக்ட்டா போய் சேருதா, சேரலையான்னு தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. ஆனா டெலிவரிடுன்னு ரிப்போர்ட் வருது. ஆனா பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஒரு சில பேத்துக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணி டெக்னிக்கல் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல வந்து நம்ம பேசணும் அப்படின்னாக்க, வரலன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அது மாரிலாம்
இல்ல
இருந்துகிட்டு
அது
இருக்குங்க சார்.
யாருமே இந்த காஷன் நோட்டீஸ் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு சொல்லிக் குடுக்குறவங்க சொல்லவே மாட்டாங்க. நான் போட்டிருந்தேன்
அ,
பார்த்தீங்களா?
ம்,
என்னென்னலாம் போட்டோம் அதுல காஷன்ல.
ம்,
வெண்டர கரெக்ட்டா சூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா வந்து இது பெரிய ஃப்ராட்லண்ட் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு.
ம்,
1,00,000 எஸ்எம்எஸ் நீங்க வாங்குவீங்க. எனக்கு நேத்து ஒருத்தருக்கு ஃபோன் பண்றாரு.
ம்,
சார் ஒரு மெசேஜும் போல சார்.
ம்,
25,000 மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சேன். நான் என்கிட்ட இல்ல. நீங்க பயந்துறாதீங்க. எனக்கு ஃபோன்
ம்,
பண்ணி கேட்கிறாரு ஒரு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்.
ம்,
நான் அன்னைக்கே சொன்னேன்ல சார் உங்களுக்கு இது பிரச்சனை வரும்னு. அவன் வந்து ரேட் என்ன குடுத்தான்னா ரூ. 8,000 குடுத்துருக்கான்.
ம்,
மெசேஜிங்க்கு. 1,00,000 மெசேஜிங்.
ம், ம்,
ஓகே. சோ அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, அவங்களோட ஓன் சர்வர்.
ம்,
அதுல என்ன காமிக்கும்? டெலிவர்டுன்னு காமிக்கும். ஆனா கண்டிப்பா டெலிவர் ஆயிருக்காது.
ம்.
அத எப்படி செக் பண்றதுன்னா, அவரோட நம்பர போடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவரோட நம்பர ஆட் பண்ணி செக் பண்ணாரு. எனக்கே வரல சார் அப்படின்னாரு.
ஓகே, ஓகே சார். இல்ல
அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் இப்ப
எனக்கு அந்த
கஸ்டமர்
ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துட்டு இருக்குங்க சார்.
அது
மாசத்துக்கு கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 50,000 1,00,000 எஸ்எம்எஸ் போயிட்டு நான் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்றேன்.
ம்.
அது இல்லாம வாய்ஸ் கால் தனியா போடுறேன். ஒரு சில வெண்டர் வந்து நீங்க சொல்ற மாரி காஸ்ட் அதிகமா இருந்தாலும் கரெக்ட்டா போய் சேர்ந்துருது.
ம்.
ஒரு சில பேர் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா, நம்ம காஸ்ட்ட பார்க்கும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, நம்மள வந்து நம்ம போகுதா இல்லையான்னு இந்த சந்தேகத்துக்கு உட்படுற மாரி ஆகுது.
அதான் நான் சொல்றேன். கஸ்டமர் வந்து இப்ப 14 பைசா ஒரு மெசேஜுக்குன்னு சொல்றான்னா ஜென்யூன். வொர்ஸ்ட்
ம்,
கேஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 12 பைசா.
ம்,
அதுக்கு கம்மியா ஒருத்தன் குடுக்குறான்னா,
ம்,
ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். எவ்வளவு பைசா நீங்க கம்மி பண்றீங்களோ, அந்த அத்தனை எஸ்எம்எஸ் போகாது.
ம்.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
சரிங்க சார். இப்ப
ஓகே.
எனக்கு என்ன இப்ப
வாய்ஸ்
நீங்க
ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எப்படி
கிளாஸஸா
இருந்தது?
முடிச்சிருங்க. நான் வாய்ஸ் கால் போட்டு அதாவது 2 வெண்டர்ட்டயும் நான் குடுத்துருவேங்க. 2 வெண்டர்ட்ட தவிர டிஃபரெண்ட் வெண்டர்ட்ட குடுத்துருக்கேன்.
புரியுது.
ஒரு வெண்டர்ட்ட போனது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, கரெக்ட்டா போய் சேர்ந்துரும். இன்னொரு
ம்.
வெண்டர்ட்ட போறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா போகாது. 100 நாள் நான் போடும்போது.
ம். ம். ம்.
அப்ப பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, எனக்கே வந்து அது வந்து அதாவது 2 வேலையா போயிருது. செலவும் 2 வேலையா போயிடுது.
ம்.
என்னுடைய பிசினஸும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அதுல அடி வாங்கிருது.
ம். 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 ம்.
நம்ம அதுக்காக முதலீடு போடுறதே பாருங்க.
ரேட்
10,000
பிரைசிங்
போடுற இடத்துல
சேம்
20,000 நான் செலவு பண்ண வேண்டியது
இல்ல
இருக்கு.
2மே ஒரே பிரைஸா?
பிரைஸ் வேற.
வேற எல்லாம் எது ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கிறவருக்கு தான் போய் சேருதா?
ஆமா.
ஓகே. அப்ப நீங்க இத என்கரேஜ் பண்ணாதீங்க. கம்மியான ரேட் குடுக்குறவங்க.
ம்,
உங்க
ம்,
டைம்
ம்,
வேஸ்ட், எனர்ஜி வேஸ்ட்.
ம்,
ஏன்னா நீங்க
ம்.
அனுப்ப வேண்டிய டேட்டால இருந்து ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு 10 கிளையன்ட் வர வேண்டிய விஷயங்க விட்டு போயிடுற மாதிரி தானே.
ஆமா. விட்டு போயிருதுங்க சார்.
அதனால நீங்க அது ரொம்ப காஷியஸா இருங்க. வேற
ஓகே சார்.
ஏதாவது
எனக்கு இப்ப
வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜ் வந்து போதா எல்லா டேட்டாபேஸ்லயும் உங்க நம்பர ஆட் பண்ணி விடுங்கங்க.
போட்டிருக்கேன் சார். என்னுடைய இது வந்துருது சார். என்னுடைய கால்க்குலாம் வந்துருதுங்க சார்.
ஓகே.
இப்ப என்னுடைய ஒய்ஃப் நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணுவேன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, என் ஒய்ஃப் பக்கத்துல தான் இருப்பாங்க. நம்பரே வராது. அவங்களுக்கு கால் வராது.
அதான் சொன்னேன்ல.
எஸ்எம்எஸ் வராது.
நீங்க 40% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வாங்குனீங்கன்னா 60% நம்பருக்கு மட்டும் போகும்.
ஆமா.
அவ்வளவுதான் சிம்பிள். அதிலேயே எழுதிரலாம்
அதான்.
புரோகிராம்லயே.
ஓகே, ஓகே. ஓகே சார். இப்ப எனக்கு உங்க சைட்ல இருந்து எனக்கு என்ன சப்போர்ட் வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறத
நம்ம ஒன் டு ஒன்ல பேசலாம்.
எனக்கு வந்து ஃபோன்ல வந்து எனக்கு WhatsAppல வந்து எனக்கு ஒரு கொட்டேஷன் நீங்க அனுப்பிவிடுங்க. நான் கேட்டு உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு விடுறேன்.
மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க.
செஷன முடிச்சுட்டு நீங்க அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க. தேங்க் யூ ஃபார் யுவர்
Sure,
வேல்யூபிள்
sure,
செஷன்.
sure.
தேங்க் யூ.
Thank you. Thank you very much, each one of you. Awesome audience you were. See you. All the best. Happy New Year.
ஹேப்பி நியூ இயர் சார். தேங்க் யூ. ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஹேப்பி நியூ இயர். தேங்க் யூ. தேங்க் யூ.
Thank you.